Welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show kind of a small Temu order that I put together because I forgot I bought some partials, so I'm pretty excited to show that. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoy the show. And just to state, because I'm saying it in every video, I am a Temu affiliate, so I do have a code which you'll see appear right around here, that if you search it on either the Temu site or the Temu app, it'll provide you either a couple of coupon bundles depending if you're a new user, or around a 30% discount if you're a returning user. Any purchases used with this code provides me a little small commission, and anything that I earn always goes back to the channel, mostly diamond paintings. And all of that information will be provided in the description below, so just in case you're curious, you can click the link that's provided below and it'll take you directly so you can search. I did that one pretty quick as well. So without further ado, let's look at the paintings. So for the first one, I usually do not buy partials. Not that I don't like them, it's just sometimes I don't see any that interest me. But this one, oh my goodness, when I saw it on the Temu site, I knew I had to have it. It is so pretty, and I am a big fan of the image that I knew I had to pick it up. It actually will work well for an event I'm doing that's being held by Miss Diamond Grandma. So she's doing a Cultures 24, I believe is the event called, and I believe this one is a good fit for that. So I can do it on the side along with the painting I selected for the event. So once you unfurl the painting, it comes with your diamonds and it comes with a standard kit. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is just a tray, the wax, and a pen. And all you do is pour the diamonds onto the tray and get your pen, press into the wax, press it onto the diamond, press it onto your painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. Do not worry, if you lose it or break it, trust me, your next painting is going to have it as well. And these are the diamonds. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. The shine just took my breath away. So this painting, I knew it was going to have rhinestones and all of that with the partials. Oh, there's some roses in here. I've never gotten any of these kind of roses. Oh, they're so pretty and super sparkly. Ooh, I'm a big fan of that. Oh, actually, let me open it, because there are some rhinestones that I've never seen before, so sorry about that. I usually do not open the diamonds for some of my paintings, but this one I am going to probably work on it once I'm already done recording. Oh my goodness, look at those roses. They're so sparkly. Let me see if I can kind of zoom in a bit, or a lot. And there we go. Oh, that is so pretty. I've never seen the roses before. Oh, that's real pretty. I think this is a silver. No, I think they're upside down. I don't think I can turn it. Oh, they're red. Oh, they're kind of like red with prismatic, as you can see. Oh, this is so pretty. These are really sparkly. I've painted with these before. Oh my goodness, they are really small. So you have to really pay attention when you start placing them. There's a nice little pearl effect on this one. Ah, that's pretty too. Oh, this is a black one. It's like a black rhinestone, as you can see. Big fan of that. A nice gold one. A nice silver one. I love that silver one. A nice pink. Another yellow and green, I believe. Ooh, not even close. It's kind of not silver. It has like a little touch of gold to it. I see it when I see it in person. Really like this. Oh my goodness, apologies, I really wanted to see this. I've never seen rhinestones like this. That's real pretty. Let me zoom back out for y'all, and there we go. I think, yeah, that looks about right. I usually do not zoom in or zoom out, so that throws me off. And this is the painting. As I said, when I saw this image, oh my goodness, I usually don't get pretty much people. I don't usually get portraits, but when I saw the outfit and just pretty much the whole image, oh my goodness, she's just gorgeous. And I love her. It's a kimono, I believe. And it's so pretty. And I really wanted this because it would actually work really well, as I said, for the cultures event. And mostly because I want to see how all the rhinestones are going to really highlight that outfit as well. So I'm a big fan of that. And it also looks really pretty on my wall. So I'm just fixing the plastic just to help it settle a bit. As you can see, there's really hard creases on this painting. Actually, let me see if I can fix it up a bit. I'm just going to roll it up a bit, see if I can get them out. And usually I place them or put them in my portfolio to settle, but that kind of did the trick. Oh, that is so pretty. You can actually see all of the little decals on the outfit. Love the umbrella. Love the tree. I just love the whole image. It's so pretty. And some information about this painting. It is JQ245 and it's a 30 by 30. And it is 10 colors. Sorry, it's not a numerical. It just starts from 1 to 8 and then it's 2 letters. So it's like around 10. And if you're not too familiar with partials is pretty much, well, as the name states, as you can probably see, for example, these numbers. They're the parts that will have the adhesive, the sticky part. So if I pull this, as you can hear, the 7 has the adhesive. But if, let's say, I select this little section, you don't hear the same effect. So it's just little parts that will have the adhesive, which is where the rhinestones will be. That's why it's considered a partial, because it's not the full painting. It's just little sections that it highlights on. And I've done partials before, but as I said, I usually don't see any that I actually kind of like, but I fell in love when I saw this one. So, my goodness, it's just a gorgeous image. I could just keep staring at it because it's so pretty. And just in case, I will put an image here in the middle of the screen if you'd like to see it more clearly. A nice lady just standing there under her umbrella. So let me just put this aside real quick. Oh, put it over here. My next painting. Oh my goodness. This painting. I'm so excited about this one. So, if you are probably familiar, or not, I'm not too sure. Sorry, is it this painting? I've been looking for a painting with this singer for ever and a day, and when I spotted this on TEMU, I had to pick it up. I am a Vocaloid fan, and if you know what that is, oh my goodness, you're my new friend. They're virtual singers, and my favorite is Miss Hatsunemiku. So I'd been looking for a diamond painting for her forever, and unfortunately I could never find one, but this one actually came out as a suggestion from on TEMU. And I had to pick it up. Well, actually, I picked it up the first time and it sold out real quick. And then they restocked her and I picked it up again. Luckily, I was able to get her this time. So, let me just take the plastic off and unfurl the painting. Keep unfurling the painting. And same thing, standard kit. And these are the diamonds. Oh, they're already all kitted up. You can see they're all in Ziploc bags. So, I'm kind of starting to like it when they start putting them in the Ziploc bags. They're so much easier to pour out when you're going to use them or kit them up in a different storage unit when you're going to paint. And I love all the blue. I just love blues. These are real pretty. I like them. And this is the image. Oh my goodness, dude. Like I said, I've been looking for an image of her forever. And this isn't usually her usual outfit. It's just a different version of it. I've seen it before, but I didn't care. As I said, I really wanted a painting of her. And yeah, I was so excited I was able to pick it up. And just in case you're not too sure, because I got real excited saying that. If you're not too sure, sorry. If you do not know what Vocaloids are and all of that, you can actually, there's actually a couple of, because she's been around for many years, you can actually just search up Vocaloid and you'll see a whole lot of history about it. And they're virtual singers. So they're a voice that, it's a program you can use to kind of, you can compose the music and use them to be singing. So that's the best way I could probably describe it. And she was the first, so she's always been my favorite. That's why I was so excited was able to find this wonderful image, and I'm real happy that I was able to find her. Oh, my Miku. Sorry, I really love this character. And so some information about the painting. It is a Y303 and is a 30 by 40, and it is 20 colors. And the legend, oh, luckily, are all capital letters. Oh, thank you for the mercy. And yeah, there's a lot of, you can actually see a lot of blues on here, which makes sense because the majority of her hair is kind of a teal color, and usually her outfit has those kind of colors as well. Oh, I really love this image. And just for a clearer image, I'll make sure to put a picture here so you can see it more clearly. If a nice painting of Hatsunemiku is your favorite as well. Sorry, I was so excited to be able to show this painting. And for the last item, I've been looking for, because I've seen TEMU sells, I believe they call them minis. So they're like the mini little diamond paintings that you can just do real quick on the side. But I've been looking for stickers. And luckily, I was able to find some kitty stickers. And these are diamond painting stickers. So let's just open them up real quick, because they're all stacked up, so it's a little harder to see them clearly. So if you can give me a moment. Ooh, sorry about that. And the first image I saw when I first spotted these that I really wanted to pick up is the kitty cat on the hot dog. I have no idea why. I think it's so cute. And I believe it's just 2 sheets, I believe. Let me see. Oh, yeah. No, it's 1 sheet. Oh, I thought it was in a slip. No, it's the cover. Oh, the kitty on the pancakes. Sorry, that's so cute. And I saw these and I really wanted to pick them up because I do not have any diamond painting stickers. I've seen them before. I've just never owned them. And I spotted these on TEMU and I really wanted to pick them up. And it also includes a standard kit. As I said, always finds you. And these are the diamonds. Oh, I really love that green. So all of these diamonds should be more... Ooh, I love that blue. Sorry, that distracted. They should be enough to pretty much fill up all of the stickers that are on here. So even if they in theory run out, I have a lot of extras. So I have no problems that if I run out of, let's say, this orange color, I know I still have some stored because I do save my extras. So I have no problems with that. But since there are not that many stickers, there's 12, I believe. I think it's more than enough diamonds because there are a lot of diamonds in here. Oh, I like that yellow in the middle. And as you can see, there's stickers. Let me see if I can. Whoop. Well, the whole thing is adhesive. Well, the sticker part, not this area. I'm not too sure how to remove it. I'm kind of worried to do that. Oh, there we go. As you can see, I can pick it up from the little white backing. So, oh, that's real sticky. So once you've already completed the excuse me, the sticker, you just remove it and then stick it wherever you want. I just love the hot dog one, but now I love the pancake one. Sorry about that. I really got distracted as I saw the kitty cats and I knew I had to pick it up. I just think it's so cute. So you might see one of these stickers on my desk here in the future because they're just so cute. And yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. I'm just so happy about the stickers, and for my other paintings, this one is a little bit more random kind of images because usually since I show mostly diamond paintings, I really wanted to show something a little different this time, and I kind of forgot I ordered the stickers. So when I saw them, I figured, ooh, let me show that because they're just so cute. And all of these paintings I'm going to make sure in the description below, so just in case you're, if you too would like a kitty cat on pancakes, you'll be able to find them in the description below. I usually put an image for a clearer view, but there's not really an image for a little sheet of stickers, so but you can see them pretty clearly. I try to move them up a bit. Yeah, they're so cute. Ooh, I think I'm gonna do the hot dog one once I'm already done recording. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps push the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone these wonderful paintings and stickers as well. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.